Good morning, everybody. This is Alert Day Trading. The purpose of this video and the videos I make is to journal my trades, journal my thoughts, just talk over just the things I'm trying to focus on, work on, improve on, any mistakes that I'm trying to minimize. And if you can learn from that, then that's even better. So one thing I've been really focusing on lately is to limit the amount of time in front of the screen. And I'd like to finish my trading day before 12 o'clock. And that includes even making a video. And I'm noticing that definitely volume decreases after about 10:30, 11 a.m. You do get, I would say very often, stocks that move after, between 11 and 12 a.m., even after 12. But the thing is, the risk increases because generally the volume in the overall market decreases. So it's just best to stick with the 9:30 to I think 11 a.m. And obviously, if you need to hold a trade just because it's working in your favor, I think that's definitely okay. But to enter into a stock, you just have to definitely have a risk to reward ratio in your favor at that point. Very good risk to reward. Anyway, I traded CYCC today, and it turned out to be a very good trade. I was looking at the daily chart, and I got interested as the price approached the high, or the first level of resistance in the daily chart. And once it broke above that price, which would be right around here, you see these two red lines. That's these two red lines right here. So it was halted right here, and then when it came out of the halt, you can see it. Okay, so this is the halt, and it opened around $12 and shot up to about $12.16. Now I just wait for a red candle to close. So as the price broke above this level, I thought that with the daily chart having no resistance or very little, the next level of resistance that I found was around $22, $23. So I entered the trade, and then I managed the trade as I usually do, and it worked out well. I took a couple more entries. I entered around here, and in the 5-minute chart, I entered around here, and the highs went to about 19.25. So my original entry was around 12.20. I had two more entries, and it worked out really well. If I wanted to work on something specific, so my exit strategy is following the 9 EMA, so this blue line, in any time frame. And So I'm trying to balance my exits between, any break of a low of a previous candle after a trade is in your favor. So I'm trying to balance between exiting a portion of my trades after each low and then exiting the trade completely once the EMA has been breached. So that's kind of what I'm trying to figure out at the moment. I try to exit, a portion at each whole dollar, just because I feel like the majority of the time, whole dollars act as resistance levels. So even if my profit target is beyond a whole dollar, I still try to trim and take profits as each whole dollar is reached. I feel like it's important not to be greedy, and when a trade is in your favor, you need to take advantage of that. And obviously you just want to hold on to as many shares as you can, but you also don't want to get in the habit of not taking profits, because trades like this, even though they are common, I'd say the majority of the time you get a trade that goes in your favor, and if you're trying to get $2 or $3 move, but you don't take profits at the $1 or $2 level just because you're trying to get a $3 move, I think more times than not, the trade's going to turn around and either stop you out at break even or even at your stop loss level. So that's definitely something I've been working on and thinking about a lot. So hopefully you guys can learn something from this video. And again, the purpose of this video is just to journal my thoughts, journal my trades, and if you can learn something from them, then even better. I'm not trying to give you any advice, just trying to verbalize my thought process so I can go over these videos and improve my trading. Good luck, and I hope you're all doing well.